Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to your existing account on Reddit. So let's get started right away. Just go ahead and open up the Reddit application first. And if you're not logged in, you might be asked to log into your account. If you don't see the login section, just tap on the account icon at the top right corner and now you can tap on sign up/login. Now simply tap on login at the bottom section. And now you can either use your Google account or your email address and password to log in. If you selected your Google account to sign up, then tap on continue with Google and then from there you can select your Google account. If you created your account the old-fashioned way, then simply type in your username. Now simply enter your password and tap on the continue button and now you will be logged into your account on Reddit. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Reddit. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.